Hello, everybody. Welcome to BC Original Rehearsal. We got a new song titled Blues, Gospel, Jazz, Country Song by Barbara Campbell and All Star. Today is a live recording, and you get a chance to hear our new song. All right, let's get started. Blues, gospel, jazz, and country all cross paths in the southern part of the United States. From New Orleans to Tennessee to Georgia to the Mississippi Delta, the music travel and migrated and influenced me. Oh, blues, gospel, jazz, and country all influenced me. Near Memphis, Cotton Country, Rice Country, where Carl Perkins, Elvis Presley, and Muddy Waters, King of Country, and Bo Diddley came from. Blues, gospel, jazz, and country all cross paths in the southern part of the United States, USA. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. This song is going to be available for pre-order, and you can start right now and pre-order this song. And I want to thank everybody, you, my fans, my supporters all around the world. Thank you so much for supporting an independent digital music artist, creator, producer. From Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights, I'm Barbara Campbell, and thank you. And I like to say, till then, you count, you matter, stay in Brooklyn, and stay green. Bye-bye.